Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Chase Bank customer, you know how important it is to keep track of your daily spending limits, especially in 2025, when mobile banking is more advanced than ever. Whether you're trying to avoid overdraft fees or just manage your budget better, checking your daily limit on the Chase app is quick and easy. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps so you can do it in under a minute. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Chase app installed on your smartphone. If you don't, head to your app store and download it. It's free for Chase customers. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your username and password. For extra security, use your fingerprint or Face ID if you have it set up. It's a great way to protect your account in today's digital world. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. Look for the menu icon. It's usually 3 lines in the top left or right corner. Tap on that, and then scroll down to find Accounts or Settings. This is where the magic happens. Select your primary account, and then look for an option like Account Details or Transaction Limits. Chase might have updated their interface for 2025, so if it's not exactly where I say, just search for Daily Limits in the search bar at the top. That's a handy new feature. Once you're in the right section, you'll see your daily purchase limit, ATM withdrawal limit, and possibly other transaction caps. Take a moment to note these down or screenshot them for reference. Remember, these limits can vary based on your account type, so it's always good to double check. If you need to adjust your limits, you might have to contact Chase support through the app's chat feature. It's super convenient. Pro tip: regularly monitoring your limits can help you spot any unauthorized activity early, keeping your finances safe. There you have it. That's how you check your daily limit on the Chase app in 2025. It's straightforward, right? If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking tips, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay smart with your money. Thanks for watching.